sounds like a trump train. There's a big locomotive rolling down the tracks, a big steam engine pumping fire and facts. And all aboard if you wanna keep it rocking. Been a rolling for years and no signs of stopping. Some seem to wonder what we're gonna do. I can tell you about a train pumping red, white and blue to the collar. If you don't like it, don't bother. Step on the side, step out of the way. I can hear a sound coming, kinda sounds like a trump train. I'm singing choo-choo boogie still. We're heading down to make a round, and nobody ever thought I would still be around. But here I am, just a running the reins. I can hear a sound coming, kinda sounds like a trump train. I've had a few roadblocks in my way, and it's never bothered me. There's never been a day that I would back down from what I believe, 'cause some things are worth fighting for, you better believe. I ain't a-taking a knee, I'm gonna stand at attention, wave the flag and salute that American tradition. To all the soldiers I can say thank you, 'cause I'm only standing here because of what you do. I'd like to thank you for your labor, 'cause it wasn't in vain. And I can hear a sound coming, kinda sounds like a trump train. Sounds like a trump train. Saying shoot, shoot, bogus too. We're heading down to buy around, and nobody ever thought I would still be around. But here I am, just a running the reins. I can hear a sound coming, and I think I hear a trump train. Yeah, it sounds like a trump train. Oh, it sounds like a trump train.